Cracked windshield? Don't let it ruin your day. Safeko Auto Glass in Oakland, California is here to help. We specialize in fast and reliable windshield repair, ensuring your safety on the road. Our experienced technicians use state-of-the-art technology for precision repairs. At Safeko Auto Glass, we value your time and satisfaction. A repaired windshield isn't just about looks, it's about protecting your loved ones. From small chips to major cracks, no job is too big or too small for us. Call us today at 510-775-4579 or visit safekoautoglass.net to schedule your repair. We even offer mobile repair services, bringing the shop to you. You'll love how we make your windshield look brand new again. Transparent pricing and honest advice, because you deserve nothing less. Need help fast? We offer same-day service to get you back on the road. Every repair is backed by our commitment to quality and safety. Proudly serving Oakland, California, we're your local windshield repair experts. Join hundreds of satisfied customers who trust Safeko Auto Glass. Remember, your safety starts with a clear view. Visit safekoautoglass.net or call 510-775-4579 today. Safeko Auto Glass, restoring your view, one repair at a time.